Hello. The following scenarios are brief, but demonstrate questions from basic to complex and responses from print to online to referral. In responding to legal questions, the librarian must remember a few principles and apply their reference interview skills to each situation. First, the librarian's role is one of facilitator. They can, and they should, provide access to legal information. They should not provide an opinion on that information. Once directed to a correct resource, it is the user's job to read, interpret, analyze, and if necessary, seek legal advice. Second, there are public law libraries in every state. A law librarian can assist with staff training or can serve as a support resource for more complicated questions. Third, there are many legal agencies that will provide assistance: courts, bar associations, and legal services organizations. Don't hesitate to refer a user to an appropriate resource. Finally, in addition to print materials that have been developed for the general public, there are easily accessible online self-help sites available in nearly every state. These sites have been developed by court systems, government agencies, public interest firms, legal aid services, and legal associations. They provide a wealth of information and explanation, and many include forms and clear directions for completing those forms. We hope that you will find these scenarios to be a valuable starting point for your discussions.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I got a ticket for eating on the bus and I want to look up the code. I can't believe they don't allow that. And will I go to jail for this?
Do you have a copy of your citation or your ticket? If you don't, we can look up in the index to the codes.
I think I do. Here it is. There is a lot of numbers.
See here where it says PC 640? That's Penal Code 640. Let's look in the book. Let's look in the pocket part in the back. That's where they update the codes. If it's not in there, we'll look in the main part of the book. There you go. It's also available for free on the internet at www.leginfo.ca.gov. Let me write it down for you, and then you could look at it later. There you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I may help you.
Yes, I got married in Las Vegas and now I want to get a divorce. Do I need to go back to Vegas for my divorce or can I get it here?
Okay, that's something we can help you with. The California Courts Online Self-Help Center has a guide to divorce that covers the process, and it's got a section on where to file. But let's check the website. This is the California Courts website. Their self-help section has a divorce section. And if we go to get a divorce, and then here's the section, where can I file? Okay, so this has that information.
Thanks, that looks like exactly what I need.
Okay, also the same website has information again on the process with links to the forms if you need that information.
Can you show me how to fill out the forms?
No, as librarians we can help you with research and referrals, but we can't give specific guidance on filling out the forms. But you do have a couple of other options. Here in the library we've got a book, How to Do Your Own Divorce in California, so that can help you. Also, the LA Superior Court has a Family Law Information Center, and they help with divorce questions. Would you like their contact information?
Yes, thanks.
Okay, let's pull that up. This is the LA Superior Court's website, and under Family they've got a self-help section with links to the Family Law Information Center. Okay, so this includes hours, locations, and they help with divorce questions.
Thanks, I'll give them a try. You've been very helpful.
Thanks.
Hello, can I help you?
Maybe. I'm trying to get a job and I've been filling out application, but nobody's calling. And I'm thinking it's maybe because of a previous conviction I've had. They told me that you guys can help me with a sponge, my record.
Let's look at the California Court website. There's a self-help center, and they have a topic of criminal law. Clean up your record. There's all kinds of information here and forms that may be able to help you.
Does it cost anything? Or do I need an attorney of some sort?
There's lots of information here and the forms, but if you have further questions, you may want to visit your local law library or call your public defender. Let me write down the website for you. It's www.courtinfo.ca.gov.
Wow, thank you. That's what I'll do. Have a good day.
You're welcome.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, my aunt died. She didn't leave very much. And someone told me that you can transfer a small estate in California without going to court. Do you have any information about that?
Let's do a Google search for transfer of small estates in California. It looks like there's a guide on the LA Superior Court website.
Now, I see here it says the decedent's entire estate must meet all of the requirements of sections 13100 to 13115 of the California Probate Code. What is probate?
Let's look for the definition of probate in Black's Law Dictionary.
Okay.
Probate, to admit a will to proof, to administer a descendant's estate.
Okay, great, thank you. Now, where can I find sections 13100 to 13115 of the California Probate Code?
This library has all the California codes, including the probate code, in annotated form. The codes are also freely available on the internet in unannotated form at www.leginfo.ca.gov.
Okay. And are there any books that explain the California Probate Code?
This book by Nolo Press, How to Probate an Estate in California, should help.
Okay.
There are also books written for attorneys who are handling probate matters. Your local county law library should have those resources. Check out www.publiclawlibrary.org for locations.
Sounds great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.